Hello everyone, welcome to my first episode of 60 Second Software Self-Taught Software Engineering. Guys, we are all learning together. But anyway, so today we are going to talk about DNS and load balancing. Without further ado, let's get started. So, what is load balancing? Imagine we've got 500 people wanted to access to a single backend here. That's fine. But what if this backend dies, like goes down, then we can't access that anymore, right? We can't access that anymore, right? What if we've got something that will solve this problem? For example, we've got 500 people here wanted to access to this backend, but we have multiple of it, and if this one goes down, we have got this one. If this one goes down, we've got this one, and this one is up, we can use that again. And this is the use of load balancer. What is domain name server? As you probably know, everything existed as the IP address, right? But you won't actually type this one just to go to Amazon.com. You would type this one, Amazon.com, to go to Amazon website, right? How does it work? So this is you wanted to go to Amazon.com, but you can't go there like this. No. So your request will be forwarded to the DNS resolver, which will redirect you to the root name server in order to get the root of your URL, which is the .com, from the Amazon.com. So you got this, and then you will be forwarded, and you will use this information and go to the top level domain TLD, and this is the server that contains all of the URL that included .net, .com, .io, .us. Since you have the .com as the root, so it will spit out all of the URL that contains the .com to here. So this is the name server that contains all of the URL with the root of .com. So keep looking for Amazon.com. Oh yeah, and then it found your IP address. So it will forward your IP address back to the DNS resolver, which will return to you. And then you have that IP here. Yay! And then you can use that IP to Amazon.com. Woohoo! This is how it works. So that's how load balancing and DNS work. I'm still learning. I just want to share what I've learned to everyone. So I'll post more about it, and then I will see you guys on the next episode. Bye!